Hey everybody, I'm outside in my garden. This is a cold spring morning day, but I'm working on using up some of the materials I have from when I had 2 trees cut down in my yard. I had an oak and I had a poplar. You can see the materials here. I have a lot of brush, another brush pile over there. I had a pile of logs over there, a whole trunk over there, more logs. Today I'm working on this back part of my yard. I had a garden plot here last year. I expanded it during the winter, and then I decided I should expand it even more. And I want to try to get 4 beds in this section, like 3-foot beds with 1 to 2 foot paths. But this is the flattest part of my yard, and I've kind of neglected using it, and that's kind of crazy. So today, even though it's the flattest part, it's still kind of sloping. So what I'm doing is I dug out this area. This area was all grass. Put cardboard down, and then I started digging out the turf in this section here and created myself a trench all the way down. And now I'm filling the trench in with logs. So my idea is this will be a bed, a path here. I'm going to dig that path out and put it onto the bed. This will be another bed. Same thing, all the way down. And I'll be putting almost like a hugelkultur / retaining wall here, built out of logs. And hopefully I can get this grade up so that it'll be like a foot or more higher, and so that all the beds will be kind of even here. That way when it rains, it kind of percolates into this garden area. So yeah, that's the progress I'm doing. Thanks for coming and checking out this video, and I'll probably do an update when I'm finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.